You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
This is so crazy. I never thought I'd see the day, man. I thought I'd never get married. You know what I'm saying? I thought I'd never find somebody that's for me. But yesterday, I got engaged. She said yes. She said yes. All them other hoes, I'm straight on you. I'm straight on you. She cooks, she cleans, she follow instructions. You know what I'm saying? If I tell her to reject a resistance, she's rejecting resistance. I love her. I love her. I don't need none of y'all other hoes but her. And that's 100 said yes. And we got married yesterday. Well, we didn't get married. She's just my fiance. We're gonna get married soon, but she said yes. And that's all I need to know. She's a keeper. Okay, so this video is all about trading one instrument, one Forex pair. A lot of people have mixed feelings with this because people love trading multiple instruments. That's cool. But this video is just the pros and cons of trading one Forex pair. Let's get into the cons first. The cons is, well, one of the cons is you have to take every opportunity that you see, or a majority of the opportunities that you see. You don't really have the, you don't really have a lot of like choices or like the ability to be like, oh, I want to pass on that, because you don't know the next opportunity. Like, you don't know when the next opportunity gonna come. So you kind of gotta take every opportunity that you see because you're only focusing on one pair. We gotta take setups. We gotta risk something. So you can't just keep passing setups. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you gotta take some opportunities that you probably don't even want to hop in just because you only have one instrument to trade. Another con to trading one Forex pair is you're gonna have a little bit of FOMO. It's gonna be some days where your pair is acting stupid. You know what I'm saying? She acting dumb. If you want to focus in on one pair, you gotta take the good, the bad, the ugly with her. You know what I'm saying? Y'all in an argument, you still gotta rock with her. You know, you just got to. And then you look at, you know what I'm saying, you look at your side hoes and they acting accordingly. Your other pairs, they acting accordingly. They, you know what I'm saying, they're having beautiful setups, but the girl you rocking with want to be on some bullshit and they want to consolidate. We don't got time for that. But since you love her, you have to rock with that. You gotta take with what you can get. And that FOMO start kicking in. You be like, damn, man, I'm gonna use gold for example. Gold tripping, you know what I'm saying, spiking, going crazy, you know what I'm saying, news happening. You don't even want to touch that motherfucker. Then you see silver over here throwing a beautiful setup. It's looking clean, pulling back nicely. You know what I'm saying? You like, damn. You like, dog, I'm telling you, that FOMO is gonna kick in. It's gonna kick in if you're focusing on one instrument. That be happening to me. I trade NAS 100 faithfully. You know what I'm saying? Anybody that's on my Instagram, dog, this is the third week in a row that I'm being very transparent about my wins and losses. If you're on my IG, you see everything. You know what I'm saying? I'm showing you my wins, my losses, and dog, my shit be hitting. I ain't even gonna cap, dog. Like, my shit is hitting, and it's just like, I love this. It's not even a pair. I love NAS 100. I love that energy. I don't know why. Like, y'all know I blew my account on US 30, but NAS 100, it's just been treating me so well, and I gotta keep this shit going. But anyway, yeah, FOMO is gonna come in for sure. It's gonna come in, and you gotta be prepared for that. I think that's all the cons. I believe that's all the cons. Let's go into the pros. Let's go into the pros of focusing on one pair, man. Number one thing that is going on with me right now, my trading has been so precise. I cannot make this up. It's so much precision on like my entries. It's so much like calculate, like everything is so calculated. I'm not just getting in like that. Like, it's gonna, I feel like focusing on one pair will make you so like laser focused in the morning. Like, I might have to like record myself like trading, and just, y'all can just see, like, I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a mad scientist in this bitch. Like, I'm telling you, I can't even make it up. I'm like, damn, bro. Like, I be in the zone, bro. Like, I can't even lie to you, man. Like, If I take an L, I accept the L. I'm ready for tomorrow. Like, I'm not even tripping because I know, like, I'm going to see a setup. Like, I can't really explain it, but you're going to be laser focused when you're focusing on one pair. Like, it's without a doubt. Like, you're going to be so focused. You're going to, and that goes, matter of fact, that goes to the next pro. You're going to build confidence and a relationship with the pair. That is so key. If you haven't some type of fear of getting into a trade, it's because you're not confident. Confidence is everything in trading, dog. It's all mental at the end of the day. So if you don't have no confidence to pull a trigger, when are you ever gonna get to that next level in your trading career? You gotta have that confidence. You gotta be like, you know what, this shit about to hit my take profit. My shit 1 to 2 risk reward, it's about to go up there. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta really believe in that shit. But if you don't believe in that shit, and you, well, damn, dog, that's take profit so far. I don't know if it's gonna get, like, dog, stop being soft, you know what I'm saying? Like, stop that shit. When you focus on one pair, you build confidence in a relationship, and most of the time you be right, but you don't believe that you're right, though, until you keep doing it on the same pair. Once you keep building that bond, now you getting attached to the pair now. You know what I'm saying? Like, real talk. So that's one thing I love about trading one pair, is that you start really believing that, like, dog, most of my take profits getting hit. Dog, I'm right. I'm right. And when you're wrong, you gotta accept it. Accept that you're wrong, and then the next trade. At the end of the day, what's the point of being scared of losing? Like, when you know that's not gonna be the last trade you ever take. That's how I look at it. I'm like, okay, if I lost today, I'm still trading tomorrow. I won today, I'm still trading tomorrow. It don't fucking matter. It don't matter. Whether you win or lose, it's not the end of the world. You still come to the market to trade the next day. Like, literally, the next day you're trading. So, like, all that emotional shit, man, bro, let that shit go. So, yeah, the confidence and the relationship, dog, it's a beautiful thing, man. You really matter of fact, that goes to the next pro. You understand the characteristics of whatever pair you trade. Trade London, you trade in the pound, you know what moves it. You know what I'm saying? You know how aggressive it pulls back. You know what to expect from the pair. So you're not just out there just blindly on a blind date with a pair that you don't even know about. No, you already done met the girl already. You know what she about. You know what I'm saying? You know she be tripping when you be coming 10 minutes late. Like, you already know what she about. So it's just like, you already a step up than the next trader, because you already been trading this pair for X amount of, time. So yeah, that characteristic, that is key, man. Like, when I trade NAS 100, I know the fundamentals of it. I'm reading Bloomberg, like, I'm reading articles. Like, people don't even understand. Like, I'm not just waking up and being like, okay, let me open up MetaTrader 4. Okay, trading view is open. Okay, let me go look at technical. No, I'm looking at fundamentals too. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking, like, even though I'm not really a fundamentally based trader, I'm still reading on that just to, like, okay, if that happens, it should go up. Okay, it's going up that day. Okay, cool. Like, I'm only looking for buys. Like, I'm not a fundamentally trader. I'm not a fundamental trader, but I do take that into consideration. Damn, I can't talk today. Fuck. Anyway, what's another pro? Oh, you can control your risk better. That is, damn, bro. When you got all these damn pairs and you looking at all these little holes, you be like, damn, dog, I want all of them. But when you take all of them, you're not realizing that you're putting too much out there, which means you're putting too much of your capital out there to risk. That is not good, bro. You're taking like 5 setups, but you're not realizing that you just risked 25% of your account. You know what I'm saying? I like risking my account percentage-wise. Like, it's all about percentages. That's why I said, I think on not my last video, a couple videos back, like a couple months ago, it's not about what instrument you're trading. It's about how you win percentage-wise. I can literally make the same amount on EU with the NAS. They both can do the same thing. It's because I'm risking it in percentages. It don't matter how many pips I'm catching. It don't matter how big my stop loss is. Everything is risked in percentages. That's just the main thing, bro. That's the main thing. So you can control your risk better when you're focusing on one pair. You can do it like this. I'm only gonna take 2 setups. You know what I'm saying? If I take 2 losses, I'm done for the day. You know what I'm saying? So I think trading one forex pair just have way more pros than focusing on 5. Now, you may disagree on that. That's cool. It's just with me, My trading has elevated. I'm like, dog, I feel like I don't want to get to that point where I'm getting arrogant or I'm getting cocky, but it's just like, man, I have a lot of confidence. Like, I have a lot of confidence trading Nas 100. I'm not saying I'm a master, but this shit is just getting crazy. Now I'm literally showing Instagram like, dog, I'm being very transparent. Like, dog, I take losses, I take wins. I'm not perfect, but I am winning way more than I am losing. You know what I'm saying? I am. So it's all up to you at the end of the day if you want to focus on one pair or focus on multiple pairs. And it's all up to you on which pair to pick. A lot of people want to trade volatile pairs if they only want one pair. If you want to trade gold, you gotta trade that at a good time. Don't trade one pair and try to trade it all day. That's not smart. Please, I show up at 9:45 every single day. Nas 100 every single day, 9:45. I wait till that 9:30 candle print, and then I'm getting in 9:45. I'm not getting straight in, but I'm looking for stuff 9:45. I'm done around 12:30. If I don't see no setups by 12:30, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day, man. Like, and I just rinse and repeat. I'll take an L. Okay, I take my L. I'm done. So, it's all up to you at the end of the day. A lot of people like more than one forex pair or a pair in general. Me, I love Nas 100. I tried to add USD CHF. It just, I tried. I looked at it. I'm like, man, this is just really just. I just don't like it anymore. Like, I don't, man. And it's just like, dog, Nas 100 just respects structure so well. I just love it. It's like, man, you are so beautiful. Fuck, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, damn. But that's besides the point. It's kind of, however you look at it. If you feel like it's more cons to focusing on one forex pair, then it is what it is. Or if you look at more pros, I think it's more pros. Comment below what you think. Is it more pros to focus on one forex pair, or is it more cons than on focusing on one forex pair? That's all I got on this video. Yeah, that's really all I got. I think that focusing on one forex pair could elevate your trading. I think so. I really do. But that's all I got. Peace and love.